of these little boards, and we have obviously more than 10 people. So we're going to need to work in about teams of 3. So if you can right now, find a team of 3, 2 or 3, ideally 3. And once you have that team, come to one of us so you can get one of these boards. No, this is y'all's thing.
Cool. I was gonna give away your shit.
Mm-hmm.
Wire, right?
1 for 3?
One for 3.
Need a wire?
Yeah, you need a wire as well.
Let's give it to them in the back. Also, you should let them know they don't keep them.
Yeah. Here's a wire in case.
Give them the open.
That's it? We're out already?
No.
Oh, I was about to say. Did y'all open one?
Yeah, we opened.
Okay, here's put that in there as well.
You guys have a USB-C on your laptop? Because we only have USB-C to USB-C. You guys have USB-C. You're good? So you can use it for your team then. We have to make sure that every team has at least one person with a USB-C laptop.
I'll say that announcement. Who needs one?
He'll let them know. I think, yeah, there's a go. Here,
Everyone?
Here you go. You guys have a USB-C. One of you have a USB-C on your laptop, right? All right. Everyone's fucking modern now, dude. Exactly. I know, right? Me and my
Hi.
10 Dell.
Oh, you're good. You just need to get in a team of 2 to 3. If there's anyone left over,
Group of 2?
group of 2, group of 3, we can pair you with them and then you can get the board. I'll give you this for now. Is there anybody that doesn't have a team?
Anybody teamless here? No teams? Everybody has a team?
Oh, you're lucky then. You get the. That's perfect. Here,
Oh, wait, no.
let me get you. Do you have a laptop that has a USB-C port? One of these? Perfect. This will be good. Okay. Okay. Do you need a team?
Feel free to spread out some of these here. We're going to be posting
Oh, wait. If we can get that back.
Yeah, you can.
I signed up for the workshop. Am I supposed to buddy up with someone else?
Yeah. Try to come back here and see if you can get in their teams. Let me see. The lady in blue. They might have 3 already, though. I'm not sure. No chairs. Do we have any chairs for them to sit? Okay. Oh, y'all are bringing? Perfect. They'll get you chairs. No. We got chairs. Don't worry, good. Or not that bad. It's not that low budget. Just 3 chairs for them, and then. Okay, nice. If some people can sit right here as well, if it's gonna be a little awkward. Well, maybe on the fringes right here. Did you get a team? I do. Nice, good. And do y'all have a board?
No, I don't think we do.
1 second. Do y'all have 2 boards over here?
No, I already got one back on.
They need a board. Is there an extra one?
Oh, already.
What is this one right here? Okay, perfect. Give them one. What's up? Oh yeah. Okay, does anyone need a board? One more left. Okay, great. Oh. Thank you. Holy shit. Maybe I'll program off a new board. So.
Do you have yours?
Oh, my IDE already knows what it is. It doesn't matter actually.
That's the first one.
Yeah. What are we waiting on now?
I'm hungry.
What are we waiting on now?
You know, in 20 minutes is when I start
Once
getting
everybody's
hungry.
seated.
That's when I.
Yeah.
I think everybody
My
has
routine.
one. We have a spare one with another wire.
If we can pull one of these chairs for this
Really?
guy right here,
Yeah.
that'd be good.
It's ruining it. It's fine.
What did he post? He posted.
You joining? Oh. Y'all might need to just step aside. I'm sorry. Also, I'm streaming the Zoom link, so in the Cougar AI Discord. So you can join. You'll get a better view of the stream instead of this thing. Yeah. It might not be able to scan. I'm sorry. That's okay. Ready? What? Yeah, I think everyone's ready. Okay, so it seems like, just to make sure, there's 3 things that you're going to need for the workshop: it's a laptop, a board, and a USB-C wire. Does everyone have those 3 components? By the way, this QR code, you're probably not going to be able to scan it. I'm sorry. It's such a, the lighting is really bad. Sorry about that. I'm also streaming this. I'm streaming this in a Zoom meeting as well. So if you want to see the live Zoom meeting, you can join the meeting. It's in Discord, in the Cougar AI Discord. It might be easier to see from your computer. Yeah, it's also recorded. But I think everyone has their board. If not, we have 1 extra board. Oh. Hi. 1 left, so perfect. Just, we haven't started yet, but all you need to do is, do we have a table for them? If not, you can maybe sit on the sides for now until they get you a table. And then there, if you can't see from far, it's also being Zoomed, live stream, so you can join it as well. Just talk to one of them. Okay. Yo. It's in the Cougar AI general Discord, general chat. Keeps going to the bottom. It's posted by Matt. There it is. This link. Okay. All right, we're gonna get started now then. Okay, thank you everyone for attending. This is the IEEE and Cougar AI Tiny Machine Learning Workshop, and we're excited to host it. All right. All right, got that set up. Okay, we can get started now. Okay, so for our agenda today, we're first going to discuss what is tiny machine learning. We're going to discuss how to get started with tiny machine learning. Wow, you really can't see that. By the way, the Zoom link is there, just say it. And then after we just discuss what is tiny machine learning, we're going to do a lab together. It's going to be gesture detection on this small device. We're going to set up the device. We're going to collect data together. We're going to train the model, and we're going to deploy that model on this device. Okay, so just to start, a brief background about tiny machine learning. So tiny machine learning, it's a new field. It's happened about like 5 years ago, essentially. It's a fast-growing field of machine learning, and it sits at the intersection between embedded systems and machine learning. It has different applications related to hardware, algorithms, software, trying to fit those types of things on these tiny devices. To give a background on what an embedded device is, it's a low-power computing device, such as this one right here. And machine learning, what that is, it's a subfield of artificial intelligence that uses algorithms and statistics to model data. So how to get started with tiny machine learning? If you are interested after this workshop, I think this is useless. So if you are interested in getting further developed with tiny machine learning, EDX collaborated with Harvard to produce 3 free courses to get started. Using this link, you can start with the fundamentals of tiny machine learning, the applications of tiny machine learning, and finally the deploying tiny machine learning. So these 3 courses are taught by an excellent professor, all online at your own pace. For the instructors of these courses, we have Lawrence Monterey. He is a lead AI advocate at Google. He helps you in course 1 and 2, teaches you about machine learning. In courses 1, 2, and 3, it's taught by the professor, Dr. Reddy. He's an associate professor at Harvard. And then finally, in courses 2 and 3, you get taught by Pete Warden. He is a technical lead, well, I think used to be, I don't know if he is anymore, but the technical lead of TensorFlow Lite at Google. So these are really good resources, industry leaders, and I really recommend their courses. I'm taking them right now, actually. Okay, next I'd like to show an example of tiny machine learning so we all see what it's like in real life. This is actually my project that I'm doing for my senior capstone project. It's a little bit hard to see, but I'm making an autonomous resistor sorter. So if you're familiar with a resistor, you know that a resistor has different colored bands on it. And if you read those bands, it tells you the resistance. This is a really, I guess, annoying thing to do. It's really manual, high effort task. And it can be automated using machine learning. So what I did was I created a model that looks for the resistor. And then once it finds the resistor, it looks for the bands in the resistors. It then gives you the resistance of that resistor, and it automatically sorts it. So all of this runs on a small device. I actually have it with me right here. This is made by Google. Google has their own product line. They call it the Coral. And here's one of the products from that line, the Google Coral. So inside of this small device, there is something called a tensor processing unit that runs these machine learning models really fast. So this came out like 1 year ago, 2 years ago. It's really new to the field, but imagine in 10 years, these things I feel like are going to be everywhere. And they are already everywhere, in my watch, in my glasses, everything. So that's just one example. If you would like to learn more, there's also a blog, my GitHub, that automatically updates around once a week. Okay, enough with the boring lecture. Let's actually move on to the lab. So today we're going to be making a gesture recognition. You might be familiar with this already, like my watch does it. So my watch is off. It knows I'm not looking at it, so right now it's off. But whenever I raise my wrist, my watch turns on. So my watch, there's something going on that it knows whenever I move my wrist like this, to turn on the watch. We're going to be doing something really similar. In fact, you could do that, but we're not going to, on this device. We're going to be trying to recognize the punching gesture and the flexing gesture on this device. So the supplies that you're going to need, like I said, this board, a laptop, a USB-C cable, and you need to navigate to this website. I'm going to go ahead and post it in the Discord, and this will have all the setup libraries and all that stuff that we're going to need. Perfect. Post it in Zoom, post it in Discord, and I'll post it in IEEE Discord as well. In general.
Up to you. Con, do you want to have that on your computer? You want to do it on mine? Okay. That's for computers. Then do I open this? Or no, no, I should.
All right.
Oh. Sure.
So I'll give everyone a second to open that site. Is anyone having trouble finding the link? All right, nice. So here's a brief process on what we're going to do. We're first going to set up the board. This is going to be the most annoying part. There's probably going to be a lot of errors, a lot of debugging. We have a lot of people here who are good at this type of stuff, so we're here to help you. Just raise your hand and we'll come over and debug. But once we get this board set up, we can finally start doing some good things. Yeah, so we're going to set up the board first. Next, we're going to collect punching and flexing data using the inertia measurement unit inside of this thing. Then we're going to train a neural network on the data that we collected. And we're going to take that neural network and put it back on the model and deploy it. OK, before we get into that, I'm going to navigate to the website with y'all. And here it is. So I'm gonna start by looking at the hardware, and I just want to point out a few things. You have the reset button. That might come in handy if we need to reset the device, and the sensor that we care about. It's this thing in pink labeled right here that sits in the middle of the device. Okay, so to set up this device, the first thing you're going to need to do is download. Let's see, should be done here. Download the Arduino IDE. So an IDE is a development environment. Arduino has their own, and it will help us run our code. So if you already have Arduino downloaded on the IDE downloaded, you don't have to do this step. But if you don't, take a second to just download the IDE. It's a small file. I got it. And then just download.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad, bro. Sorry. Y'all got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Y'all got it? Good. Everyone good here?
Yeah.
All right. Y'all good? Y'all got it? Nice. You too? Cool. Yeah. Yeah. I think everyone, y'all got it as well? Cool. Okay. So that's the first part. I'll wait like another minute or so for it to download. I know UH Wi-Fi isn't that good. Yeah.
I don't know what they're called. We just one of those packets.
Oh.
Yeah,
Do we have another board or no? I'm sorry, we ran out. You could join where? Oh yeah, you could join this team or there's another one. I'm not sure. Yeah. Once you downloaded the Arduino IDE, just launch it. Yo. Oh, let's go. Yeah. All right. So we're just setting up the board right now.
Okay, I thought you already said it.
Yeah, we did.
I just talked to the Google people.
Yeah.
They'll be in contact.
Sounds good. Thank you, bro. Okay, so at this time, does anyone not have it downloaded? Nice. So the second thing I did was I linked the library. Yes, okay. I linked the board manager library that you're gonna need so Arduino can talk to this board. So I pasted it in the Zoom chat, the Cougar AI general chat, and the IEEE chat. What you're going to do is copy that link, and then I'm gonna go slow here. Inside of Arduino, you press File in the top left corner. Okay, after you press File, you press Preferences. And where it says Additional Board Manager's URL, you paste that URL that I sent. So File, Preferences, paste that URL in Additional Board Manager's URL. And I'll be walking around to help anyone. Is it still downloading? Oh, my bad. Okay. Have you taken a while?
I might. I tried. I want to install
Yeah. It's not that big of a file, but I'm not sure. Yeah, there might be a lot of people in the Wi-Fi right now. Still out of the library? Okay, seems like a lot of people are still installing. I'll slow down then and wait till everyone catches up. Is anyone still installing Arduino? Yeah.
So we're putting the link and it keeps saying invalid sketchbook location.
Can I see this? I didn't copy it wrong. Where is the? Can I? Where is this in Safari?
It's in, oh, well, that's that, but I copied it from Zoom.
Okay, let me. I probably maybe copied it wrong on my end. Oh, I have an idea. Let's go back one step. Is this mine? Okay, that's mine. Damn, this looks so much different than mine.
Go to the Arduino IDE.
Oh,
Yeah, preferences. Yeah.
I had a Mac for like 1 week, and at the start of semester, and then I returned it. I told Zeal how much I hated it.
It's a learning curve.
It is.
I keep saying invalid sketchbook request. Should I whatever that is in documents?
Damn.
I don't know what that means.
I'm not sure. Let me try to get one of the other. Nav, can you try to debug this? Step one. Oh, I'm not sure.
Look in the dumps if you need me to do
I don't know. I need a.
It says invalid sketchbook location.
Mhm.
that. Would
Yeah, it works. No errors. Yeah, y'all got it then. Y'all get the library board manager. Really? Oh. And then shall I get the board manager set up? The library?
I mean, the URL you want to
Mhm.
paste?
Yeah, file, preferences. Oh, good job. Nice. Any questions here? You only need it on one laptop probably, but you can, it's nice to follow along with multiple. Did you put the,
I just put this is the link that from the Discord. Does that look right?
yep, that's right. What's to the left of the link? It's probably right, actually. Just press OK if you don't get an error, you're good. Nice. Okay, so let's get it. Yeah. It should be able to press OK. What's going on right now? Oh, that's weird.
So is there anything else we should change? Yours
Which one?
So you've got 1.8. I think this is too.
Really? I downloaded it yesterday. That's mad weird. No, it shouldn't matter. Invalid sketch. Oh, someone else had this error. Someone. 1 second. Did you fix the invalid sketchbook error? Did you fix the invalid sketchbook error? Can you show them how? I don't know. I don't know how to do it. I've never seen it. Time to learn.
All right, so first, I plugged in the Arduino just in case.
Good idea. What the? Okay, yeah, he got it. I did that. You're welcome.
One click.
No, he literally blinked and it fixed it. Okay, good stuff, bro. Yeah. No, that's okay. We're here to help. Okay.
What were we supposed to do? Like put the code in?
So do you have the link with you? Did you already copy it?
I did not copy it.
Okay. Are you in the Zoom chat? Or
It's in here.
oh, perfect. I'm sorry, I have no clue how to use a Mac. Okay, just take me to the chat.
Or I have the code right here.
Okay, cool. And you copied it? Okay, copy it. Go back to IDE, to the Arduino. Go hover your mouse here. Okay. Dang it. It happened again. How do you fix it? You gotta teach me.
I don't
No, it's correct, but I don't know how to.
All right. I gotta do the secret sauce.
You just press browse or what?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, nice, thank you. All right, you should be ready. Okay, is everyone ready from this? Yeah.
Library URL. this spot.
Yeah, you do. And then you press OK. Good stuff. Nice. Yeah. Mhm.
Word.
Oh no, you go to File or Arduino Preferences. Then you paste it. Oh, you guys already did it. And then you press OK. You're good now. Well, we haven't gotten to the second step, but that's all you needed for the step.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I think everyone is caught up. If not, please let us know. But let's go to the second step. There's like 3 steps, so it's like 1/3 of it done. I hope. Okay, we'll see. So I'm gonna press OK. Go back to Google. Keep scrolling down. Don't read it. Whatever. Then it says navigate to Tools, Board Manager. Okay, so Tools, Board Manager. It will download some of the indexes, and once it's done, you search Seed NRF52. Search it, press enter, and install the second one, embed enabled boards, not the first one. So again, it's going to be Tools, Board Manager, and then you're going to search up Seed with 3 E's, NRF52. And this will give some of the packages to run the board.
I think it's a 3.
Well, so far,
Actually, we'll see. We haven't. Oh, forgot.
You're doing a great job.
That's good. How? How? All right, looks like we're still downloading.
Oh no, he said go sit there and wait for him. Now it's on you.
We just need someone in frame for the shot.
It's like, wow, George, you're like massaging
I-
tenfold.
It's a new George every 10 seconds. Yeah, Matt, you're next.
Imagine you go to the bathroom without like.
Was it able to fix it? Was it able to fix it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, I'll tell that to everyone. That's important. Once it's done installing, X out of Arduino and refresh it so it recognizes the new libraries. Yeah, you only need the second one, but if you want to install both, it's fine. We're only going to use the second one. Got them installed? Just finished. Perfect. Then refresh it and you should be good. Oh, got it installed?
Yeah, we didn't select the board yet, right?
No. Did you refresh Arduino?
Yeah.
Can you select the board right now? Try it.
It says no board. How do I do that? Oh, select board. Oh, okay, yeah.
You see it?
This one, right? That should be it.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, okay.
Cool. Nothing has gone terrible so far.
How do we check if it's updated or downloaded again?
If you already refreshed Arduino?
Yeah.
Okay, then click on tools, I think. Board. It should pop up here. There it is. And then select the sense one. Oh shoot, I forgot to tell people that. Let me go tell them that. Okay, did everyone get the libraries and refresh Arduino? No?
This is take a bit thicker platform exit status once it's on.
You only need the second one. Let's try this one. Nice. So I installed, what the, wait. Let me refresh it, I don't know. That's fine. Wow, your DPI is really high, oh my gosh. Can you reopen, whoa, my bad, you got it. I tried to open Arduino. I forgot I'm unmuted. Kevin? Oh no, I thought I heard Kevin. Oh my god. Can you go back to that? Can you go back to that? Oh, yeah, there it is. There you go. Okay. Once you have it installed, now we need to tell Arduino to run on this board.
Want to go to tools?
So everyone has it installed?
Boards manager. Board.
Okay.
Board.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, refresh Arduino. Okay. This part is important. It's caught me, it like wasted 2 hours of my time last time because I messed up. So don't mess this part up. Press tools, board, seed, embed enabled boards, and the second one right here. I'm gonna keep it on my screen. It's a sense one, BLE sense, not BLE. BLE sense. The expensive one.
It is the sense, yeah.
Yeah.
I had to double check that.
Yeah. Dude, I know. Oh, well, actually,
Hold on.
Okay, if you're able to select your board from tools, tools, board, embed, sense. Now what you want to do is click on file, examples, file examples, basics, blank. And it'll open a new window. This is a default script that Arduino wrote just to test your board. I'm going to plug in my board and try to send it to the device. To send it to the device, you can first compile it. You don't need to. Just press this upload button right here, this arrow pointing to the right. And if your board is connected correctly, it should send the script to your board and run it. Yeah. Another thing you might need to do is select the communication port. Just press port here under tools, port, and make sure it's under the device is recognized here as well. So really simple, tools, port, make sure you're selecting the port that has a device on it. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be hard to see, but now my board is blinking red because I uploaded the script to it. So try to get this script uploaded on your device and we'll catch up there. Yeah.
Where do we go after port?
Port. Yeah, click that. And then, what does that say? I can't see.
The upload tool is undefined.
That's weird. It's just right now. Oh well. You already selected it the first time?
Yeah. Okay.
Done?
Oh, but it also says no. It still says upload error.
Uh,
Once it's no, yeah, it's still undefined.
Let me, whenever, can you, hold on.
Is it plugged in all the way?
Yeah, it is. Can you press upload and I'm gonna spam the reset button? Still?
Upload tool is undefined.
What does that mean? Let me go Google it, or have one of the officers help you. Can you, upload tool not defined. Can you Google that error or something? Upload tool not defined error, Arduino. Try googling an error and seeing what comes up, or maybe refreshing Arduino. Yeah. Oh, someone else has this error. Why does everyone have a Mac? Oh my gosh. I can't help y'all. I feel bad. Let me try to solve this error so I can help everyone. 1 second. Oh,
So we have to redefine it. I
how?
don't know what the code for that looks like though. You know?
No. Wait, how would I?
See that?
Everyone has a Mac. No.
See? It's a PC superior rates.
All right. Like, do you have a USB-C? Is that what this is?
This sucks.
I'm scared.
Okay, for now, it seems like a lot of people are running into an issue with the serial port. We'll fix that later. That should not take long. Let's just actually make the code so we can upload it whenever we're done. Okay. So we finished the guide actually at this point. If you're able to get it blinking, that's good. If not, it's okay, we'll come back. So what you need to do is on the same page, scroll to the bottom and press on TinyML TensorFlow Lite, getting started. Right here, TinyML TensorFlow Lite, getting started. $19. We'll do that at the very end. If it works, we'll do it at the end. We'll switch. Yeah. Okay. Now what we're gonna do now is collect data and train the model. So I'm assuming everybody's on this web page right now. I got here by pressing TinyML, getting started. And the first thing you're gonna need to do is click on this link to download the zip library. And this takes you to a GitHub page. I'll paste this actually in Discord, might as well. I'll paste this in the chat here and in the IEEE chat as well. Okay, after we pasted this in the chat, you're gonna press on the green button, the code button, and download as a zip. Okay, green button, download zip.
Okay. Do you know where this
Press it, it'll download it to your
code?
download directory.
I got it.
You should see the download start.
I don't think it's like honestly useful for you. I mean, you guys can, but the thing is,
Yeah, I know. It's like when if I want to be online, I want to have the software. So.
still with the port though.
Did he download this first one as well, or did he just download this one? Did he download, which one did he download?
Oh, I just went on the link that you sent.
Oh, yeah. I just-
Okay, so the second thing after I choked is you have to download the. I'm gonna lose my voice.
Actually, you're in
Download this library. It's on the same page, right below it. It's the same thing. Press on code and then download zip.
You turn off the audio.
I think it just takes us.
Yeah, Loki, can you check the audio? 'Cause the echo.
YouTube. To do all this.
We're downloading the second one too, step 2.
Oh, let me pay attention. Okay, so there's instructions. That makes more sense. That website, that green one, is the instructions. I don't know why they processed that.
Okay, like I said, go to the website, download the 2 libraries, this first one and the second one. To do it, you press on the link, you press code, and then you download zip. These are the last, finally, the last libraries we'll need to download to get this thing to work. Once you download the libraries, let's include the library. Let me first walk around, make sure everyone has it. Y'all have the libraries?
That's the right one.
Yeah, where's the other one? It's here, right? Yeah, it's right there. Okay, good. Yeah, you got them. And those are zip files? Yeah, okay, cool. You're good. Did y'all get the libraries?
I think we were just trying to find it.
Okay, it should be in your downloads folder. Did y'all get the libraries?
Still downloading, I think. How long does it normally take to download?
Like 2 seconds max or something.
This is the right file?
Yeah, y'all got them.
Oh, they're all.
Finish downloading? Are you re-downloading? Oh no, it's still downloading. It's done. There you go. Yeah, you're good. Y'all get the libraries? Fitting? Yeah, nice. Y'all get the how's it going here? I was like, yeah.
I think we're caught up.
Really? Good job. Okay. And then y'all got the libraries? Awesome, very good. Y'all get the libraries and stuff? Nice. Y'all get the libraries and okay, got it. Y'all get the libraries? Nice. Y'all get the libraries. Okay, cool. Everyone has the libraries. Let's now include them and run something on this device. So to include a library in Arduino, let me scroll back. You're going to, so we're here, we're now on step 3. Open the Arduino IDE, navigate to sketch, include library, add zip library. Okay, I'll do that. Sketch, include library, add .zip library. Then you're gonna go and probably to your downloads, wherever you downloaded it to. For me, it's in my downloads. And then press on the library. So mine is right here. I already included it, so I won't do it, but press on both downloads because we got 2. So again, sketch, include library, add .zip library. And then we'll be able to run something. Check what? Oh, sure.
You open it and.
My bad, I wasn't sharing my screen. I'll show it again. It's going to be through sketch, include library, add .zip library. And then you're going to navigate to your files. Mine is in my download section. So I'll go to my PC, my downloads file, and it's right here. And it should be, this is not a zip file. It should be a zip file. There it is. This is a zip version. Okay, so sketch, include, add.zip. I'm gonna walk around again. Were you able to include them?
Yeah, bro. It's not showing.
Okay, oh, sorry.
Were you able to get the library?
I don't know if you're there.
I've just set up like this.
I love
I've
it.
selected the bow.
Oh, I forgot your DPI.
Where do I select the fold?
No, I can't. Could you go to your documents?
Because after you download this,
Manage
you
libraries.
can do the
and
next
go
step
back
to
to your,
but
they should be at the very, very
So I
bottom.
don't
Scroll
need
all
it,
the way
right?
down.
yeah,
All the way.
you don't
No?
need to do that.
Can you reload Arduino?
Because only
Like, can you reload
out
Arduino?
of 2 people, 1 may do it.
Like close it. and
Yeah, but you
then
can still
reopen
download these libraries.
it. Yeah, yeah. I think you have to.
So I download it from there.
Yeah, so you code. Download it.
Just kind of fetch those code.
Do the same thing for that.
Or
Yeah, there's a second.
they drop another one.
These two.
Oh.
Okay, now that we finished adding our libraries, I'm gonna upload a script to the device, and the script will recognize if I say the word yes or no. So before we get into training and all that stuff, let me just see if it's okay, cool. We'll do that then. Okay, so I'm gonna start by Xing out of everything. I don't have Arduino open. I'm gonna go to Documents, Arduino, Libraries, TF Lite micro examples. I'll redo that by the way. Examples, micro speech, and then pressing on micro speech Uno. I'll redo all of that. Don't worry. I just want to show it working, Chris. Then I'm going to press the upload button. And I will walk through it again. I'll keep the directory path open here in case y'all want to follow. I started, oh, it's too long. I started in Documents, Arduinos, Libraries, TF Lite Micro, Examples, and Microspeech. I will show it on screen again. Just let me upload this first. After Examples is Microspeech. You see it? Are you in the TF Lite micro library? Okay, I'll try to come up with another way to see it. And 1 second. This is gonna take a while. I'll walk around and help while I'm doing this. Okay, I'll start here. So can you try to open it? Go to Documents. Arduino, that one, the TF Lite one, Examples, Micro Speech. Open that one, and then upload it to your. Make sure the port and board is selected. Yeah.
Right.
Download zips.
Yes.
There's like this.
And then you also need to write. Feature.
I think it's
So that it's that'll be on the same page. That's it.
Oh,
Please go
I
back.
just use the link.
Mhm.
Okay, so it's done uploading. Sorry, on the monitor. Device okay. There we go. Okay. So it works on mine. I don't know if you can see it, but it's saying if I'm either punching or flexing. So if I punch, come on. Let me just try flexing. There we go. So now it's a little bit delayed because I'm scrolled down, but there's a punching. Why is it flipped? Hold on. There we go. So now it's classifying that I'm flexing. There we go. Anyways, we're trying to get that set up on everyone's device. So yeah. Wait 1 second.
So first, we need to define. First, we need to find constant wrong. It's define constant bytes is